Today's lesson is learning how to calculate markup and discount. Let's make sure that we understand what markup is. That's the amount that a retailer is going to add to their price. Their price is called the wholesale price. That's what a retailer pays to put that product on their shelf. So a markup is added to their wholesale price so that they can make a profit. So how you do this is you take the amount of markup. Generally, you don't know that, so that's going to be X, over how much the retailer paid to put that product on their shelf, and that will equal the percent over 100. So let's calculate this 64 gigabyte iPad example. It says in my problem that there is a 103% markup. So that 103, that's going to live in the percent location right above the 100. It also says that it cost the store $342.36 just to stock that iPad on the shelf. And I'm not sure what the markup is. I need to know the markup in order to figure out how much the store is going to sell the iPad for. So when I solve this and I take my $342.36 times 103 and divide that answer by 100, my markup is going to give me, or my calculator is going to give me this number for the markup. Well, that's not going to work very well for money. So I need to make sure that I round to the nearest penny. I find the decimal and I count 2 places after it. This next number right here, after the cut line, that's going to tell me, am I going to cut this off and discard it, or am I going to round it up? Well, since it's a 0, I'm just going to get rid of it. So $352.63 is the markup. That's also not what they're selling the iPad for. You have to make sure that you add what they paid to the markup. So if I do this down here, they paid $352.63. They are going to mark it up $342.36, which is going to give a sticker price on the shelf of $694.99. That's how much the store will sell that iPad for. All right, so let's switch gears a bit. Let's talk about discount. Now, discount means that there is a sale. Yay, I like a good sale. That means that the retailer is trying to mark an item down in order to sell it to make room for new inventory. So we're going to be subtracting off some money. So in order to calculate our discount, we're going to use our proportion again. We're going to start off similarly to what we did last time. So the amount of discount, if you know it, this is where it's going to be located. But if you don't, that's where your variable goes. The original selling price goes right below that because I want the part out of the total amount. Percent always lives over 100. So let's use that proportion to help us solve this problem. It says in my problem that the leather jacket originally sold for $185. Well, the original price goes right here. And it says that it's on sale for 30% off. The percent always goes over 100. So I'm not sure how much the discount is. So I'm going to take my calculator and take 185 times 30. Whatever I happen to get, I'm going to divide by 100. So it looks like that we are going to save, or our discount will be $55.50. That's amazing. That's great. The question, though, asks for the selling price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the original price, $185, and I'm going to subtract off or take away or discount the $55.50. That represents the 30% off. And that jacket is going to cost $129.50. So the selling price is $129.50. It's time to review. So in markup, I want you to remember that you are adding. You are taking their wholesale price and you are adding it to the markup. Together, those two things will equal the selling price. On discount, you're going to subtract. Something's on sale or it's discounted. So in this one, you are going to take the original price minus whatever the discount is, and that will give you the sale price.